Hey guys, this is me वासु रैना और आप देख रहे हैं सुपर किक्स को साइन। Vasu Rana is a guy from Delhi who thinks he knows everything in music, and he actually does a little bit. So I'm a singer-songwriter, musician, producer, composer from Delhi, and I love making music. I write Hindi and Urdu music. I was in the mandir and this memory is told by my दादी because of course बच्चे होते तो याद नहीं होता। तो मेरे को याद था, उन्होंने बताया मुझे कि मैं मंदिर में ऐसे अगरबत्ती की डब्बियाँ लेके छन छन कर रहा था as if they were like percussions, and there was a bhajan being played in behind, and I think since then I've been into music like that. So I started like by playing percussions in like instruments. Let's call it shakers, maracas, tambourines, congo, bongo, a little bit of tabla here and there in school. And that's, I think, where I started it. I wasn't a singer or a writer or even a guitarist by then. I was just an instrumentalist completely till my 6th grade. I was in the shower and I was just like singing randomly in 7th grade, and I realized I can sing as well. So I went the next day music teacher के पास. हमारी बहुत प्यारी music teacher थी स्कूल में, माधुरी मैम. I still call her sometimes and she still scolds me and says तू पढ़ता क्यों नहीं है, because मैं नहीं पढ़ता हूँ. And we used to bunk a lot of classes like that. So it's a thing she says to me. I went to her the next day when I realized कि मैं गा भी सकता हूँ, and I went to her and I was like, मैम मेरे को गाना है, क्या मैं choir में गा सकता हूँ? And she was like, तुम गा सकते हो? I was like, हाँ मैं गा सकता हूँ. तो she said, एक शर्त पे तुम्हें हारमोनियम भी बजाना पड़ेगा साथ में गाते गाते. And that's where my coordination came, hand and vocal coordination. Grade starting, I had a band in school called Radiation. It was with my friends, who are not my friends anymore, if you are watching this, because you are. So Aag is from my upcoming album. It's a jazz soul influence album, R&B influence album. As I said in the previous answer, I somehow love shairi so much now, and I tend to write as well in that way now. And I started humming on this one trumpet sample I had, and it just came in like 5 minutes. The writing came in 5 minutes. The song was completed in 2 days. It was the mix which took a little time, which was like 4 or 5 days, not more than that. So that was Aag. Album was based on this theme called water. I had that album dissected into 4 parts of a human relationship, and it doesn't have to stick with love, with anything. It can be towards your friend, it can be towards your own self as well. So the first part of the album was falling in love, and in love so hard, like ekdam घनघोर, खतरनाक प्यार. The first part was falling in love. The second part was falling off love, separation, and then third part was acceptance, moving on. And the fourth part was relapsing towards it again. I think whenever a human being experiences a relationship, like a true relationship, you know what I mean? Like a relationship with so much purity and essence, which is like so true and so natural. They have to like experience these 4 things: falling in love, separation, acceptance and moving on, and then relapsing towards it. That's what it is, and that's what the album is about. Hayat. I'm a very picky person when it comes to sneakers. Like the ones I'm wearing right now, Adidas Sambas represent, by the way, Super Kicks, thank you so much. I love them. I recently got gifted these Nike Cortez. So I love them. I got the white and the green one. I love them. I love those retro kind of looky sneakers. मेरे को बड़े खूबसूरत लगते हैं वो. There's a term apparently, as she said, old money. और मैं बहुत ऐसे बचपन से ऐसे ना, अब मैं पुरानी पिक्चरों की तरफ घुस चुका हूँ, मैं पुराने मिजाज का इंसान बन गया हूँ, तो मेरे को बस थोड़ा वैसा ही रखना है अपने आप को. Because it makes me feel so me, and I feel myself so much even wearing these pants. People call it dad pants apparently, but they're Vasu pants, man. I love them. What's next for me is the jazz, soul, blues, R&B influence album, which is coming. It's called Nazakat. Aag is one of the songs from that album, and it has a lot of crazy, unexpected collaborations. भाई किसी ने समझा ही नहीं होगा कि मैं कर सकता हूँ और उनको करवा सकता हूँ ऐसे गाने. That's for sure as well. So waiting for that. It's about to get mixed mastered.
हमें, जब के अरसों बीत गए हैं हमें। कैसी आदत हो तुम छूटते नहीं, हम डरते हैं अब तो सलाह दो हमें। हर एक रात अरमान लेके सोए, तभी उठे तो अंदर धुआं धुआं। हाँ धुंधला है सबके जल गए सभी, लो चल गया प्यार से मेरे सपनों का जहां। देखो फिर लगी है आग ये कैसी, जल गया है मेरा दिल मेरी जान।